Okay, now I'm back here from taking the pictures, just so I'll use them as diagrams for you guys so it's easier. Now we have created the 3 edges. Now when you have the 3 edges, you know how it solves itself is this. You make sure now this time around, since there's 3, you make sure that at least 2 colors are diagonally now. I'm gonna use my red green. Sorry about that. My red blue, and another red blue. So the first 2 sets are above facing each other on the other side, and the other one on the other side. The other one will be on my right, which is your left. If not that side, we will use on the right, on this opposite side. It doesn't matter actually, as long as you've got 2 across at the top, one facing that way and one facing the other way, and then the one on the right here or on the left. Now if your colors, if you notice, I have my red and my blue, and I have my red and my blue, but here I have a white and a red, but on this side I have a red and a green. This is perfect. This should not be, and it won't make any other way. It's a mathematical thing. As long as you've got 2 edges that basically match, which is pieces, not edges. Red, blue, red, blue. That's all you need. That means now I will be pointing, my diagonally will be pointing towards the right. If it was in this case, it would either be, this piece will be here and this piece will be here, meaning my diagonally will be facing that way. Now if it's facing that way, the mismatch piece will make sure, I'll have to make sure I place it this way. Now here's the tricky part now. Actually not tricky, it's very simple. If my diagonally is my red and blue, and my other is red and blue, and it's facing this way diagonally, it means the color on the side of the other one will have to be red white, meaning place this red white on top. Make sure it's not at the bottom. Never ever make that mistake. So I've got my twins, this twin to this twin. To the left of it is a red white, which is gonna stipulate for me where this one has to be red white. Otherwise, if I do it like this, let's say I do it like this, now if you see here, red, blue, red, my red and white is here. If your red and white is at the bottom, you've created a problem already. Don't do that. It's not going to work out. So make sure to this twin and this twin, make sure that the one that's next to it will end up at the top here, not at the bottom of the. So I'm going to rearrange this again and place it here at the top. So this green red will be at the bottom. All right. If I was on the opposite side, I'd still do the same thing. The trick is just to make sure you pay attention that the piece next to it will be here. So when you do the algorithm, it's going to solve it completely. So let's go. Let me place this here at the top. You know how to move your cube over. So do this. And I'll bring this guy. Where's my other friend here? Okay, now it's perfect. Red, blue, facing like this, and then a white, red here. Now let's do the algorithm on how you solve it. I'm gonna be bringing this up here so it matches up here. Don't do this the other way. So I'm gonna make sure my red, blue, and my red, blue touch, and then I swing. I use this side for solving. So slowly, I'm gonna try and be as slow as possible. Slide it. Slide that in, tuck it down, bring that up, and then swing it up. It solved itself as purely on making sure your placement is correct. So all my edges now match. They all match now. That's basically how you solve that thing. I will also use diagrams as well, so don't worry. just in case the video gets too fast for you or my accent is a bit too weird for you or whatever. But I'll use diagrams and then you'll ask me the questions later on. Just make sure that you pay attention to the part where I actually explain how you place the mismatched pieces. Thanks, guys. I'll try and be helpful as much as I can. All right, thank you.